Hi guys, over here I have the XC90. I have this rear windscreen wiper which doesn't extend out all the way. I've got a new one from the scrapyard. It extends out, looks better I feel. So let's replace this. First you have to remove this. Okay, open up this and remove this nut, and then it will be very easy to replace. Just remove this, put it back, and put back the nut. Right, let's do it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after remove the nuts over here, just wiggle a bit and it will just come loose. Right, so I will just replace my new one. Okay, then I'll just put back the new one over here. After I put back, I just install back the nut and then it should be okay. Alright, I've fixed it back, so now it looks very good. One whole piece over here without the extended wiper blade at the end. So, right, thanks for watching. Goodbye.